Hey everyone, it's Raquel with Rocket Kitties, and we are back for our final tutorial using the banana milk cabochon. Yay! For this tutorial, I will be showing you how to assemble your charm. I decided to go with a simple phone charm as I thought it'd be the easiest thing to make to kind of give you an idea of how to work with your charm once you make it. So for this tutorial, you will need jewelry tools, as the ones in the picture. Basically, they're used to help you assemble jewelry, accessories, things like that. Also, jump rings. I have a double jump ring and regular jump rings. This is a double jump ring. It basically looks like a small keychain, and you open it the same way where you open the side, and then you can just easily insert the charm that way. I will say you can use a tool to open it, but these are so small. I like to just use my nail, but as you see in this in this video, my nail's just a little thick for my gel polish. I put too many layers, so it was a little hard to open, but once I got it, I just slipped the charm in as usual, as you would like a regular keychain. I like using these, especially when working with such a tiny bail, because that way I ensure that the piece is going to be snug in there. Sometimes if you use a regular jump ring with the one opening, it can slide through, at least for some that I have used before. But I will say the mini bails that I have in my shop are a little bit thicker, which is nice. But if you can, I highly recommend those double jump rings for when you work with little pieces like that. This is a standard jump ring, and the way you open it is you just pull it apart as the way I showed you there, and then I decided to like go over it again, but take one end of each jump ring and twist it open rather than opening it apart, like pulling one side of it, like you don't want to open it to where you're pulling it apart. You want to open it to where you're sliding it, and that way you're manipulating the jump ring in a way that won't ruin its shape. I was trying to show you again how to do it, and then I kind of a little bit messed up the jump ring, but not too much. But I wanted to show you, like, see how it's closed back and there's no gaps or anything. If you were to open it going in the opposite direction rather than from side to side, it potentially would be hard to put it back together in that way. So here I'm just showing you the reason why I added that extra jump ring is because on our bail, we have the whole flat. And then when you put a jump ring through that, it's going to push the charm the other way. Like if you're wanting it to lay flat, it's not going to lay flat. I hope this makes sense. So I added another jump ring. That way it can lay flat whenever it's just hanging rather than the charm itself being always on its side. And here I'm just adding that little crystal charm just for a little extra pizzazz. And that is it. That's all you have to do to make this adorable little phone charm with the charm you made. And then I was just kind of wanting to show that you see how it lays flat? It's because we added that extra jump ring. And I can go over assembling more. And if you just want like a separate video just about assembling things, I can definitely make one. But if I were to just have done the double jump ring and then hooked it to the phone charm, like I was trying to say earlier, it's not going to lay flat like that. It would basically always be on its side. So that's why I added the extra jump ring. When you're, making keychains, jewelry, things like that, that's just something you want to think about so your pieces lay nicely, especially if you're going to make a necklace, even earrings. Speaking of earrings, for the next tutorial little mini series, I will be showing you how to make earrings. Yay! So please look forward to that. For the earrings from the Kawaii Starter Kit I have, I decided to go with those cute flower cabochons. And I'm also going to show you how to utilize the mini bails in another way. So, very informative. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful, and I will continue to do my best to make them simple, short and sweet, and informative. Please let me know if you have any questions, and if you did find this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with all my content. I would sincerely appreciate it. I appreciate you guys for taking time to watch my videos, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!